In this video, we are going to see how we can put our YouTube channel on the Reddit profile. It's a pretty simple and straightforward process here, guys. Let's visit our profile first. So we click on the profile, and from here we can see our YouTube channel right here. So what you can do is just head over to the profile and click on settings. And from the profile menu, you can add not just YouTube but any social links. You click on the arrow next to it and you can select any social link. So for example, I've chosen it here. Display text is Upskill-Education. Whatever is your YouTube URL, you will mention it here. And then when you click on OK and save, you can visit your profile and you can see if your social link is added right here. You just click on that and it will directly show your YouTube channel right away. So that is it. That's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.